Hello all, good morning. Hope you all are happy and healthy in your homes. I am Sanghamitra Acharya. I was born in Bhubaneswar and raised in Kolkata. I have been living in Hyderabad for more than 10 years. I have total 6 years of teaching experience. Now I am working as a PRT science teacher in Oasis School of Excellence. This year in 2021 to 2022 I am going to take your science classes of grade 4. So I am the science teacher of grade 4. So children, I am looking forward a year of learning, fun and adventure with you all. Very soon we are going to start our classes and I am very eagerly waiting to listen from you all. Children, as I told that I am working in Oasis School of Excellence, I am very much proud to be a part of it because this is one of the school in Hyderabad which completed its 50 years. This is very old school, but it has its vision and mission. The vision of this school is excellence through education, and the mission of this school is to impart true knowledge which is propounded by Swami Vivekanand for man making and nation building. Our methodology means Oasis School's methodology is ancient values with modern technologies. We are emphasizing values along with education. Our campus is spread over an area of 4 acres with all modern amenities which are required to support present day's education system. Like we have well ventilated, spacious, airy classrooms with DG boards in every class. We have labs in every subject, not only in science. Those labs are well equipped, means all the equipments are there to do the experiments. We have a big huge playground where the children wants to spend their quality time with a natural pollution free environment with lots of flowers, gardens, trees where you can study with the fresh air. And also we have professional coaches to motivate the children to they can also give support to they can also able to reach the professional coaches and they can get the help in many sports like cricket, badminton, table tennis, etc. We have sports room, we have drawing room, we have art and craft separate rooms, we have auditorium halls and many more. So the infrastructure is well maintained and the infrastructure is very good. So you can check more information or you can get more information about the school in the school website. Children, let's speak about something about academics. This school is affiliated to the CBSE Board of New Delhi. So we follow NCERT curriculums and this year we have introduced the international curriculum too. Now let's come to our subject. So as I told that I am going to take your science classes. So I am a science teacher. So science is a subject of curiosity, children. As much as you will question, that much you will be able to learn. And also science becomes more interesting with the hands-on activities and with the experiments. So I hope that every child should participate actively in doing the activities and experiments. So for this pandemic situation, we were going to start our online classes very soon. In online classes also we celebrate many events like Diwali, Children's Day, Teachers Day, Yoga Days. So in these all occasions we also ask the children to showcase their talents, their creativity. Someone can show their talent with the help of drawings, with the help of some models, some other creativities by the by dancing, by reciting poems, etc. The best one will be the best performers pics you can get in the website. We will upload it there. So children, this is about the celebration and events. Now let's speak about the book and the notes, how we are going to start the class. So children, this year we are going to follow the Collins book. Let me show you the cover page of the book which we are going to follow in the science class.